What up, hackers and cybersecurity enthusiasts? Today we're going to be taking a look at Silo, Hack the Box Windows Machine, medium difficulty. Silo focuses mainly on leveraging Oracle to obtain a shell and escalate privileges. It was intended to be completed manually using various tools. However, Oracle Database Attack Tool ODAT greatly simplifies the process, reducing the difficulty of the machine substantially. Since we're doing about 100 machines here for the OSCP prep, we're just going to do it that way. Configuring a payload is the same level of difficulty, so it really doesn't matter, manual or automatic. We'll take a look at the Nmap scan here using service scan, service version, operating system aggressive, and searching for all open ports. We can see port 80 running HTTP Microsoft IIS. You can see 135, 139, 445 open, running server 2008 R2. That's the Windows server. The Oracle TNS is running on 1521, listening through TCP. And here is the IP for that. As you can see, it's unauthorized. We have 5985 for another HTTP. And some various other HTTP ports. However, we're just going to be taking a look at the Oracle TNS, as that's what they want us to hack, and that's the description they provided. So supported, user supported, so it looks like we're not going to get any easy logins here. What we'll do now is we'll launch Metasploit MSF console. And what we're going to do is we're going to enumerate the Oracle TNS database, hopefully extract some credentials, system ID, username, and password. And, if we're not able to get both of those, we will try to brute force it. We'll start by using search exploit here, search exploits, Oracle TNS. Can do auth ses key arguments, Oracle service names. We have some payloads here as well at the bottom. Since we're looking for a SID brute force or enumerator, we're going to have to search for just TNS because this isn't working. Here we can see SID brute, so we'll use 5. We can also use 8 to find the version. Show options here. Set our host to the 10.10.10.82. ER port 1521 is already running or already set for us, and we don't have to actually do anything else, so we can just go ahead and run this. Running the enumerator, we find SID XE immediately, and we find PLS EXT PROC. And I believe those are the only ones we're actually going to be able to find. Whoops. All right, we'll launch MSF console again, and we'll actually use this SID to brute force username and password. That is an Oracle login. We're going to need a brute force. Okay, Oracle admin is going to give us a regular login. So what if we search for Oracle login? Oracle login, admin, Oracle login, Oracle account discovery. We'll go ahead and use 0 here. It's actually going to provide, it actually provides the same result at top, so it doesn't really matter. But anyway, use 0, show options. Set our host 10.10.10.82. Our port's already set. The SID needs to be changed here, so set SID to XE. Run. This will attempt to brute force the username or the username password for the database, and then we can hopefully log in and check that out. Let's let this run. Now, this isn't actually this isn't actually going to bring any credentials that we need. Unfortunately, for some reason, the brute force does not work. However, we can search for default credentials for Oracle database and check to see if any of the usernames and passwords enable us to log in. All right, so we'll go to Google, check the Oracle default credentials. Oracle default account and passwords, system, sys, Scott, DBS, and MP. Change a password, unlock a password. Here we have some more usernames and passwords here. CTX, sys, legacy, LBC, MD-sys. We're going to save time here, and the username and password we're going to use for this database is Scott and Tiger. So we'll go ahead and use that for further enumeration. Alright, so at this point we need to generate a payload for ODAT, and we need to set up a listener. So we'll do that now. Luckily, we already have a payload saved from earlier. We'll just change the L. We'll leave the L host probably the same. Actually, let's check. 10.10.14.35, 10.10.13. What's 13 or 14, bro? I'm tweaking. 14.35. Port there. Boom, 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 boom. Create the payload. LS to make sure. Here's our shell. We will then open another terminal. We'll leave this terminal open and set up the listener here. Before we actually run the listener and send the payload, we're going to need to download ODAT so we can actually get that sent to the DB. So we're going to install a bunch of commands here, and then we'll be able to run ODAT. So we'll just use git clone. I'm not sure if I have ODAT already on here or what. CD to ODAT, LS, Docker, conf, resource pictures, blah, 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 SMB, Docker, docs. There's no ODAT.py. Alright, let's see if it's actually been updated. apt get install python 3 scapy. Apparently I can't type right now. Apparently I still can't type. What the fuck? Install that, then we will use pip3 install color log, term color, crypto, passlib, python, lib, nmap. Already installed, already warning, run as pip user consultant, blah blah blah, pip3 install, arg complete, and sudo activate. Global python org complete. Already satisfied. pip3 install py crypto dome should be installed as well. pip3 install cx oracle. Already satisfied. Good. So now clear this ls. Actually run odat.py, but we're gonna have to implement some credentials. So we're gonna find how to use odat to brute force this here, or to use it. All right, let's set up this listener in Metasploit, and then we will finish the odat.py, run that, catch a shell. Meter, preter, reverse, TZB. Bruh. My bad. Here now, show options. We can actually set the payload. I don't know why this thing's all fucked up looking. Those x64 meter preter reverse TCP. Now set L host 10 10 14 35. Set L port 45 45. Believe that's it. Running this odat is actually a long ass command, so this will be fun. We'll do odat.py. Actually, you have to call Python 3 first. So Python 3 odat.py dbms xls processor, followed by the IP, username Scott, password Tiger, D, XE is for the system ID, which we found was XE. Put the file on the C inetpub www root shell2.aspx. And since it's not shell2, it's actually shell. Just change that. And this will upload the shell. So go ahead and start the listener. Run that. Upload the payload. Error. ODAT localhost file in the CNET pub named shell at ASPX. LS. It's because it's under home Kali desktop ODAT shell.aspx. It's not actually under ODAT. It's just on desktop. Run that. successfully uploaded the payload to the website. So let's go ahead and see. We'll go to the website, we'll click on that, and it will give us our reverse TCP here. 10, 10, 10, 82. The port is 1521. Maybe that's not the port. Maybe I forgot the port, bro. I don't know why. Let me find this fucking port. Alright, so the TCP handler has started. We will go to the web page. Shell.aspx seems to have loaded. Now let's check to see if we got the reverse shell. We got the reverse shell here. Who am I? Okay, who am I? It's not going to work. It's irrelevant. We'll upgrade to a fully fledged shell by hitting shell. Now Windows System 232, enter serve. Now, of course, we could ls, but we'll just cd into C users. Get the flag here. ls, or dir, sorry. Use dir, admin, public, Phineas, cd administrator. Denied, okay. cd Phineas, dir, pictures, desktop cd, desktop. Probably going to be there. Cat user.text. Okay. User.txt. Since this is Windows, we'll use type instead. Type user.txt. There's the root flag, or the flag for this question. Go back, answer it, submit it. Now we'll get the root flag. Support vendor engaged to troubleshoot Windows Oracle performance issue. Full memory dump requested. Dropbox link provided to vendor and password under separate cover. Wow. Dropbox link is here. Password's here. Enter the password for the link. Go back.